One, two, okay, wait. I'm not gonna lie, on the last one I peed a little bit.
You always pee a little bit.
No, actually, I really did pee a little bit.
Like everything you do.
Okay, as long as it's not on my wood floors, I'm good.
I peed all the way down, actually.
I have this all on video.
Oh.
He's done.
Silver van Flying Ace.
Oh my god.
His form is good. And now for the final routine.
Oh my god.
Oh, that just hurt my leg. Oh, that hurt my leg.
I can hear Jocelyn laughing.
Are you retarded or something?
Response?
Do you need Gatorade? The Gatorade. Power up after your air run.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Wait. Film this.
I
Film me
am.
trying to tackle Jocelyn. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2.
Go. Come here.
Oh, I think he actually got hurt. There's no, that had to have hurt, Kevin.
Here.
Put your Widow Princess blankie on. Okay.
Silver van Flying Ace.
Oh my goodness.
Last one.
Please don't really get hurt, Evan. No, Jocelyn.
Oh God, you're fat.
Okay, you gotta push. You gotta push.
I told you he found pieces about something.
It's easier to slide down on my tummy.
Oh my god, my eyes are watering. I'm laughing so hard. Evan, or Jocelyn, you should slide down on your butt while he goes on his tummy.
That's from falling down the stairs 4 times.
Hold it.